So we're just really happy to be here with the Ambani family and to celebrate this wonderful evening, and really looking forward to what they have to present and share with the rest of the world. They always do things so immaculately, so perfectly. So more than happy to celebrate here with the family.
How important and impactful do you think that this cultural centre will be for kids in the arts and just being able to, experience this?
Nita ji has always done tremendously well in that area with kids, with her school, with constantly, standing up for and propagating and celebrating India and Indian culture. So I think she's just taken that vision forward and even more gloriously and ready to do so much more. I think that's perfect for today, to kind of get the children more and more involved and